Her life is almost over, but the next generation is already waiting inside the foam.
As the weather changes and food becomes scarce, its body grows weak. At last, the silent hunter becomes still forever.
But nearby, her egg case hangs untouched by time. Inside, dozens of new mantises wait for warmth and light. The jungle calls them out. The story begins again. Tiny hunters facing a giant world. Alone, but perfectly designed to survive.
From fragile nymph to fearless hunter, the praying mantis is a reminder that even in silence, nature can be powerful.